Make the most of time. Get things off the floor and onto the wall in an organized way with RYOBI Link Wall Storage. Easily choose and configure the system to meet your needs. The unique 33-inch wall rails are designed for maximum stud engagement, and the durable material securely holds hooks, shelves, bins, and toolboxes. Shelves are cut from high-grade steel and powder-coated for protection, each constructed to carry heavy loads. Heavy-duty hooks with dip-coated touch points offer space-saving options. The double and single bins are designed to connect the Link mobile storage and Link wall rails for full system compatibility. Build a system to simplify your life and maximize your space. RYOBI Link. Organize, access, transport. Available exclusively at the Home Depot.